Okay, we are carrying on where we left from. PLC Excel is running. We have a professional license. What we are going to demo is what happens when you do not have a license. So I'm going to stop PLC Excel and I'm going to pull out my license dongle. I'm going to restart PLC Excel and see what happens. So you can see on the right-hand side, PLC Excel detected there is no license, but all your configured tags are still displayed. The difference is, with no license, you have a limit of 10 tags. So you can only read 10 tags and you can only write 10 tags. At the others, they will need a license. So let's just double check that this still works. I'm in Logics. Number 9, row 9, I'm seeing 156. So I'm here and I'm going to write 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to press enter. And you can see we have now 2, 3, 4. So PLC Excel works and will work forever without a license. The only difference is the number of tags are limited to about 10 tags. Let's now go to the SQL add-in and let's fetch data. As you can see, even the returned number of data is 11. Well, is 10, in fact. So PLC Excel will work forever without a license, but a number of limited tags will be displayed. Here we are at the end of the PLC Excel video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I thank you for listening. For more detail, go to www.plcdatalogin.com or www.automationconsultancy.com. There you will find online manuals that will give you more details than this video. I wish you well and see you next time.